This is a Chicago Cubs Rubik's Cube. It's actual Rubik's brand. For all you Cubs fans out there, I got this for my dad a long time ago. He's the biggest Cubs fan I know. So it probably has only been solved maybe once by me. It's in really good, like new condition, and the centerpieces have to be oriented properly, otherwise it's the same as a regular Rubik's Cube. Oh gosh, I can barely turn it, but I'm going to scramble it. And I did not really study it before I started. And also, I am not following the scramble on screen, so let me just take that off of the screen. Here we go. Where to start? I think I'll start with this gray looking side. And I am not in a hurry on this one. So far, so good. Okay. Let's see. I think maybe this goes here. And looking good, looking good. One side done. Let's see, this needs to go here. This probably goes down here. Yeah, this one definitely goes here. This one's in the right place. So I think we're gonna do beginner's method here. I think that one goes there. Yes. No. That doesn't, no, that does not match. Okay. It's this one. And next edge piece. We have all the edges. So I'll fix the centers at the end. This looks good. This needs to be flipped. This needs to be flipped. Wait. This needs to be flipped. Flip, flip. Something's maybe not quite right. I'm definitely confused. Let's see. Good. Good. These two are good. These two are bad. Okay. Oh, I can barely turn it. Alright. So I think I got the edges. Now moving on to corners. These need swapped, these need swapped. What does that mean? Okay. Corners are all in the right place. Yeah, they are. So if this were a regular cube, what would I do next? I think I would... I probably should have oriented the corners first. Okay. None of these are oriented. Wait, is this one? No. This one needs to go this way. This one needs to go also counterclockwise, clockwise, clockwise. So. Excuse me. Did that help? This one's good. So yeah, I guess I did the wrong alg. This one looks good. Okay, good, 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 and good. So everything is oriented. Now it's time for PLL. This is taking many, many, many times longer than I imagined it possibly could. Alright. So these two go over here. Let's just start with that. This one belongs here. This one belongs here. Oh, I have headlights over here. Okay. Let me just do a T-perm. If I can. All right. doing 2 U-perms because I know I can't finger trick the other one. It's not really in my muscle memory. I mean, I can't do it unless I can do muscle memory. Alright, so it's mostly solved, and now it's time to orient the centers. So this one's good, this one's good. This one I have no idea. It's valid any which way. This one needs to rotate 90 degrees clockwise. This one looks like maybe it needs to go 90 degrees. Can't really tell. This one looks upside down. Let's try flipping this one first. This side looks good. That side's good. This side's good. Let's do this one. It'll also flip this one. This side's good. Oh yeah, this looks good now. And I think we're dead. Go Cubs.